Hello, today we are solving New York Times hard Sudoku puzzle for July 25th, 2026. Okay, so the rules are simple. We have to place digits 1 to 9 once in every row, once in every column, and once in every 3 by 3 box. And that's it. So that means that no digit from 1 to 9 can repeat in a row, in a column, or in a box. With that, I will start looking for digits which only have one place to go in a row, column, or box. For example, I can see right away that this box has only one place for a 9, and that is this one. Why? Because these three cells are seen by this 9, these three cells are seen by this 9, and this cell is seen by this 9. So this one has to be the 9. Now, these two 9 will remove the 9s from these cells, making this cell a 9. Okay. I'll spend some more time, and if I cannot find anything, I will start pencil marking. Yeah, I can see one more. So in this box, these can't be 2, and this one can't be a 2, so this has to be the 2. Okay. Okay, I think I will start pencil marking now. Looking at this box, where do the 1 and 8 go? These two are not 1 and 8 because 1 and 8 are already there in the row, so these two have to be 1 and 8, which means these two digits are 4 and 7. And that means these two digits are 3 and 5. Right. Now look at this. In this box, these and these are not 6, so 6 has to be in one of these, which means these and these are not 6. 6 is in one of these. And also, the 9 is in one of these two because these cannot be 9. So these are just 6 and 9. Now, where does the 3 go? 3 can't be here and here, so this has to be the 3. Okay, now 8 is not here, so 8 has to be in one of these two, which means 8 is not here and here. 8 is in one of these two. Oh, where does the 5 go? 5 is not here and here, so this one has to be a 5 and this is a 6. Oh, now these two 5s will remove 5 from here, so one of these two has to be a 5. Now these are just 5, 8 pair. We just need 3 more digits in this row, and they are 1, 2, and 4. These two are not 2s because of this 2. So this is a 2 and these are 1, 4, which makes the remaining cell a 7. Now this 7 and this 7 will force the 7 in the middle cell of the box. Now where is the 2? 2 is not here, so 2 has to be here. And now we know what these 3 digits are. They are 1, 3, and 4. This is not 1. And these 3 cells are 1, 8, and 4. This is not a 1, this is not an 8, and this one is not a 4. Okay, now look at these 7, 2 and these 7, 2. They remove the 7 and 2's from here, so the 7, 2 is here. But this one can't be a 2, so it's a 7 and this one is a 2. Right, now this 7 and this 7 makes this middle right digit 7 in this box. Okay, what three digits do we need here? They are 4, 6, and 8. And these are not 6, so this has to be a 6, and now these are just 4 and 8. That means a 4 cannot be here. Right. Okay, what else? Oh, 3, 6. Where is the next clue? Um, uh, I can't see it right now, but there has to be a simple one. Hmm. What four digits do we need here? Oh, look at this. Since these are not ones, one has to be in one of these two, which makes this one an 8. And that solves a few digits for us. Right. Now, since these are not 4s, so this has to be a 4, making this an 8, 1, and 4. And now this is not a 1, so this has to be 1. This has to be a 5, and this is now a 6. Then these two digits are just 2 and 8. So 2 and 8. 2 and 8. Okay, what are these 5 cells? Okay, I see that 5 and 7, and these 5 and 7 remove the 5 and 7 from here. So these two are just 5 and 7 there. And now these three are 3, 6, and 9. Right, 3, 6, 9. This is not a 3, so one of these is a 3. Okay, we'll come back to it. Let's move ahead and try to find something else. Oh, where is the 2 in this column? It cannot be here, so this is the only place for a 2, right? Which means this is an 8 and this is a 2. That's good. And now where does the 7 go? 7 can be here or here. What else can I see from here? Okay, so this one is from 147. And this can't be a 4, so it's just a 1, 7. We still don't know these two digits and these. Oh, look at this. 1, 9, 8. They're not here. The same way 1, 9, 8 are also not here. So these three have to be 198. Right, this is not a 9, and I don't know. The 7 is not here and here. That's not useful. 7 is in one of these two. Let's see what these remaining four digits are. They are 3, 4, 6, and 7. This is not 3, 6, 7, so it has to be a 4. Now these are 3, 6, 7, of which this is not a 7. Oh, and the 7 has to be here, which means this is a 4 and this is a 7. They still don't resolve these. Oh, look at this. 8 cannot be here, so it's a 1. Okay, another pause. I'll be back in some time. I'm back. So somebody was at the door, so I had to go. Let's continue. Although I've broken my flow, but I'll still try to finish it. Um, I'm not even sure where I'm looking, but okay. Okay, 1 is not here because of this, and 1 is not here because of this. So 1 has to be in one of these two, which means 1 is also not here, so this is not a 1. That makes this one a 1. Uh, is that useful? I don't think so. Now this is just 3 and 5. 3 or 5. Mm, 6 is not here. 1 is not here. And that is it. 7. What are these two cells? They can be 3, 4, 5, and 8. That's not useful. So how am I gonna do this? 4 is not here. 4 has to be in one of these three. 8 is not here. 8 has to be in one of these three. And 1 is not here. So 1, oh, this one's not a 1. So this is a 1. Yeah, now 4 and 8, these are not 4 and 8, so these have to be 4 and 8. And okay, even this is not 4 and this is not 4, so this has to be 4. This has to be 8. And now this is a 5, 8, 3, 4. Right, which means this is 5 and this is 7, 5, not a 7. This one's a 7. Right, this is now 3, 5, 3, and 6. 3, 6, 9, not 9. This has to be 6, 9, 6, 3, and now this is 9, 8, 4, and 1. And that's how the puzzle has been solved. Bye.